Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with a new question of trigonometry. If sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. See, we have to consider this as this is given and this we have to prove. So mark it equation 1, sine of theta plus cos of theta is equal to root 3. Now this is the given equation. Now we'll be squaring this term, squaring, name it equation 1, squaring equation 1. We have here it is a plus b, so it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, and for root 3 it will be 3. Consider a is equal to sine theta and b for cos theta. So similarly open this bracket, sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sine theta into cos theta, that is equal to 3, as the square root and square term get cancelled. Now we have sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to 3. As we know from the trigonometric ratios that this is equivalent to 1. This is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. These are the trigonometric identities. So we put this value 1 plus 2 sine theta into cos of theta is equal to 3. So we take this 1 from LHS to RHS, so we'll be getting 2 sine theta into cos of theta is equal to 3 minus 1. So 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to 2. So we have 2 common on LHS and RHS, we can cancel it out. So finally our equation becomes sine theta into cos of theta is equal to 1. Now we know that this 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta, so put this here. So sine of theta into cos of theta is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. Here we are substituting for 1 to get the desired output. So take this sine theta into cos theta in the denominator of sine square theta plus cos square theta. So we get sine square theta plus cos square theta completely divided by sine theta into cos of theta is equal to 1, as nothing remains here, that is equal to 1. Now we'll separate the denominators, so we'll get sine square theta divided by sine of theta into cos of theta plus cos square theta divided by sine of theta into cos of theta, that is equal to 1. So here this cos 1 term and cos theta get cancelled, and here square term of sine theta and sine theta get cancelled, so we get sine of theta divided by cos of theta plus cos of theta divided by sine of theta is equal to 1. Now we know that sine theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, and cos theta upon sine theta is cot theta. So we substitute the values, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Hence this is our final answer, and this we have to prove. Thanks guys for watching this video. For more such video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. If you want this lectures for this trigonometric identities and extra uh, theory related trigonometry, that I have already recorded and uploaded on my channel. Please do watch and like and share. Thank you.